we'll walk through a schematic model of the Stage 3.2 design of the new emergency department. The building will reside northwest of the existing hospital. Its exterior shows simple messaging reflecting the existing hospital architectural language while using contemporary materials. The naming opportunity of the building will also be reflected in the space. The main entrance is angled as to direct the flow of users from outside into the building and directly to the triage window. It ensures, at the same time, that proper lines of sight are maintained for nurses onto the entrance. The design of the waiting room is currently being revised in response to COVID. The delays actually allowed us to integrate such measures. Entering into the clinical side of the department, its layout and the process flows were designed on the basis of a fast-track approach, where patients and personal pathways are closely analyzed in collaboration with key stakeholders, and where the nurse and physician station is at the center of an acute zone on one side and exam cubicles on the other. The major trauma room we see now is located immediately upon the paramedics' dedicated entrance, which include the decontamination room and the ambulance bay, and directly accessible from the nurse station. Though this video does not show the final interior design, as it is still in the making, the final intent for the interiors is to provide a calming environment through the use of well-chosen colors, lighting, and nature-like materials. The high windows we see in the treatment rooms on the perimeter of the building also show one of the design intents for the department, that is to optimize the amount of daylight without compromising privacy. Treatment rooms can be future-proofed through, for example, the design of the structure allowing for future ceiling-mounted patient lifts. Corridors are designed to accommodate potential future expansions and to offer as much flexibility as possible for internal and external connections to the department. The department will provide a highly efficient environment designed to the very latest healthcare standards. Materials will be maintenance-free but resistant to disinfecting chemicals. Are designed to be identical as to promote this efficiency and ease of use. The nurse and physician station, we will see again in a moment, offers well-thought line of sight on the department, and its design will allow for both collaboration areas as well as focus space with the use of appropriately placed bulkheads, glazing, and acoustical materials, for example. We're now heading back into the waiting area. As we see on our way there, the access from triage on the right, and a nourishment alcove on the left, where we also can find the family room. The waiting area layout offers excellent lines of sight from the triage desk and the volunteer desk. It will be designed on the basis here as well of providing an environment which fosters calm as much as possible when we know how difficult these moments can be for patients and their family. This public area will also offer ideal space for donor recognition installations. The emergency department's entrance will also serve as an entry point for the existing hospital during after hours for departments like DIV. For this reason, a link has been designed between the two buildings to be as direct as possible and offer easy wayfinding. Finally, the link will reflect the connection between the hospital's past and future and be designed to illustrate, with its shapes and materials, the pillars of our community planned donor wall.